Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I am your success manifestation coach. And I welcome you to your very own channel. Guys, ये channel मैंने आप लोगों के लिए खोला है so that you come here again and again and watch all the content related to manifestations. And gradually just change your life towards manifestations. क्योंकि बिना मैनिफेस्टेशन के लाइफ इज लाइक वेरी होपलेस एंड यू फील अलोन एंड यू फील रियली पावरलेस and insecure in your life. And when you start manifestations, then you know that magic of the universe gives you all that strength, power, hope, and courage, and joy of living that life. So today here I am sharing speech, a manifestation session that I delivered in an event called Vidhi, and this event usually calls all the lawyers, and this time they also called me as a manifestation coach to deliver this manifestation session to a group of lawyers, because now people have started understanding that not just books and academics are needed, but we also need the power of manifestations to live a life successfully. In the speech that I shared in Vidhi Utsav, actually it was a manifestation session, full manifestation session. I have shared some powerful techniques and affirmations which can change your life. And also this speech has my personal story, like how I, gradually in my life came into manifestations and started helping various people, and they got results, and then that empowered me more as a manifestation coach. So this speech carries a lot of secrets of manifestations which come from my life and which come from the life of other people, and of course it has techniques for you. And especially if you are someone who is at the beginning of their lives and still figuring out things, then this speech is very important for you because it is actually a manifestation session. So please enjoy the speech and subscribe to my channel, and please do come back for more, because my channel is all about manifestation, manifestation, manifestation to empower you so that you can live a life of joy, ease, peace, and power and happiness and everything, whatever you need, your full dream life. Stay tuned and do come back for more. Hello, everyone. Thank you to the organizers of Vidhi Utsav for giving me this audience. Hello, everyone. How are you? Hi, I'm here for you. Please interact with me. How are you? Okay, do you know about manifestations? Manifestations, anyone? शाहरुख, ओके, एक हाथ उठाए बस. शाहरुख खान की मूवी पता है, ओम शांति ओम. किसी चीज़ को जब पूरे दिल से चाहो, तो सारी शिद्दत से चाहो, तो सारी कायनात उसे आपको दिलाने में जुट जाती है. राइट? आइडिया है कुछ? सो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन? नो? ओके, यू नीड मी, यू डेफिनेटली नीड मी. सो गाइज, मेरे 8 साल के बेटे ने अपनी टीचर को समझाया था. मैं उसकी टीचर ने पूछा कि आपकी मम्मी मैनिफेस्टेशन कोच हैं, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? तो उसने समझाया, मैम अगर आपको कोई गोल या डिज़ायर अचीव करनी है और राइट टेक्निक से अगर आप अपने इमोशंस को, थॉट्स को उसके साथ अलाइन करोगे, तो आपका गोल धीरे धीरे आपकी लाइफ में आने लगेगा. इसे मैनिफेस्टेशन कहते हैं. गॉट इट? समझ में आया कुछ? ओके, अपनी लाइफ से समझाती हूँ. ईयर 1998, आई एम दैट ओल्ड. आई वॉज पेडलिंग बहुत तेज़. मैं साइकिल चला के अपने स्कूल पहुँच रही थी बिकॉज आई वॉज गेटिंग वेरी लेट. और फिर भी मैं पूरे 10 मिनट लेट थी. एंड व्हेन आई रीच्ड माई गेट, तो गार्ड ने बोला, इधर देखो, यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ. 1 दर्जन बच्चे खड़े थे इन द पनिशमेंट क्यू. And I thought, I am late, I should stand there. Then my teacher came. She said, no, 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 wait. What are you doing? She will not be standing here. ये हमारे स्कूल की मेरिट लिस्ट में जाएगी, टॉपर है ये. She said, Shilpa, you are special. Please go to your class. Nobody will stop you. Oh, I thought, wow. But that year, I did not get into any merit list. I did not even cleared my IIT, and it was very, very bad year for me, and I felt very depressed. कोई बात नहीं, life goes on. Fast forward 2004, I married to the love at first sight, my husband Vivek Narayan Sharma. यहाँ पे शायद कुछ लोग जानते हो विवेक नारायण शर्मा. So that year my father-in-law expressed his disappointment कि मेरे बेटे ने पता नहीं तुमसे क्यों शादी करी है, इसको इतने करोड़ डाउरी में मिल जाते, एक कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर की नीज भी शादी करने के लिए रेडी थी, फिर भी ही मैरिड यू, क्या बात है. So I asked my husband, he said nice things and then he said you are very special. But मुझे तब भी समझ में नहीं आया कि ये स्पेशल क्या है. मतलब इट इज़ अ यूजुअल मैरिज, लड़ाई झगड़े होते हैं शादी में, ओके सब बैचलर्स हैं शायद. सो गाइस नॉर्मली होते हैं लड़ाई झगड़े शादी में, कोई बात नहीं. या okay. Can we reduce the voice? Please, technicians, I think, or I stand a little away from it. That's fine. We'll do a check in between. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. 2008. I joined IBM. I was a software engineer. I went to meet my project manager. He interacted with me for 5 minutes. उसके बाद उसने मुझे बोला, he called me for a team meeting and then he proposed, why don't you lead my team of entire developers, 50-60 people. I said, are you sure? You just met me 5 minutes ago. He said, no, you are special, you'll be able to do it. And let me tell you, it was very, very hard and challenging. Team full of men mostly. It was very hard for me. Still I managed. I did not know what special was there on me. It was a challenging thing to do. And when I went through my maternity in 2013, the same manager did not give me promotion, did not take me back in the project, and I was so disheartened that I quit my job, and I felt very depressed, and it was the darkest time of my life. That all these years, these people saw me special, but there was nothing I could prove. Anyways, life was going on. One day I read the book Secret. Anyone read the book Secret? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, guys, you should read that book. Because I read that book. First, I dismissed it. कि क्या झूठ झूठ लिखा हुआ है. I dismissed it. But then I met a few women in my colony who were practicing law of attraction, manifestations in their own way, and I joined them. And there I learned the power of manifestations. Like, अगर आप focus करो, whatever you want, you affirm every day, and you are doing all the techniques right, like you are in the high vibration zone, then धीरे धीरे your desires come in your life. That was an eye-opener for me. And then I manifested many things. I manifested a lot of money, connection with my son, my art exhibition, foreign trips. I manifested friends, partying. All those things I manifested, but still there wasn't anything special about it because बहुत सारे लोगों के पास ये चीज़ें already होती हैं, right? Right? And then, while I was manifesting, a man in Punjab joined his family business, and he realized कि उसके business में बहुत ज़्यादा losses हैं, सब कुछ गिरवी पे है, and they are in loans, crores and crores of loans. There was a woman in Bangalore. उसके husband ने एक दिन उसको बोला कि मेरे को सन्यासी बनना है. Now you mind your own business. How you will take care of your daughter? He just left her. And she was hopeless, depressed. Then there was another engineer working in some company. उसको उन्होंने push किया. He loved engineering, but they pushed him to become a CEO और उसे वो काम करना पड़ा जो he was hating very much. Sales, marketing, people management. and he was depressed. ऐसा काम अगर आपको कोई करने के लिए कहे वर्किंग फील्ड में जो आपको पसंद ना हो, how will you feel? Good or bad? So that's what was happening with him, and he was getting depressed and depressed. Now in 2022, I decided to coach manifestations professionally, and I met all these people and much more than them. This guy in Punjab cleared his 25 crores of bank loan in 3 months. This woman, जिसके husband ने उसको छोड़ दिया था, she manifested a loving partner. Also, she just knew art. She opened her art school and established it. And this guy, जिसको ज़बरदस्ती CEO बनाया था, उसकी कंपनी की ग्रोथ 20% से 60% हो गई, and he opened a department of innovation and then started heading it. And much more people received a lot of benefits. Finally, when these people said thank you to me, expressed their gratitude to me, I could finally see that what is special in me. What is special in me is that when you are left out, hopeless, all alone, depressed, probably feel rejected by the world, at that time, I can align your energy, thoughts in the favor of your goals, your desires, your outcomes. That's what makes me special. Is that good? More than that, it's my ability that I keep on learning new and new techniques to give results to people very, very fast. Okay? Now, having said all this, would you like to have a small demo of energy shift inside you right now? You want to experience energy shift? एक ही लड़की का हाथ खड़ा हुआ है, only she wants. More hands? Okay, 10, everyone. एक ने बोल दिया everyone. She is the leader really. You are the leader. I know, I spot a leader and I know. Anyone? Energy shift? Okay, guys. ठीक है. I'll just give you affirmations and just follow the instruction and then repeat the affirmation. सबसे पहले affirmation दे रही हूँ एक. I'm the child of universe. Okay. We all are children of God. Do we agree? So इसको feel करके बोलो. All right. I am the child of universe. ये तो बहुत ही सोए हुए बच्चे हैं. Please, I am the child of universe. One more time. I am the child of universe. Nice. Okay. Now, when you're a child of God, God wants you to be happy. So next affirmation is, I am born to be happy. I am born to be happy. फिर से, I am born to be happy. I am born to be happy. Wake up, guys. ये बीच वाले में से किसी को नहीं होना happy. Are you not born to be happy? So say it. I am born to be happy. I am born to be happy. Okay. Next. पैसा चाहिए? पैसा कमाना है? Who wants money here? Looks like everyone wants. ओके ठीक है, तो अफर्मेशन फिर एनर्जी के साथ करो गाइस. मैनिफेस्टेशन का गेम है, हाई एनर्जी है. आई एम बॉर्न टू बी रिच. इसमें ज्यादा आवाज आई है. फिर से इधर, आई एम बॉर्न टू बी रिच. ओके नाइस. पैसा मिल गया, खुश भी है. लव चाहिए? किसी को चाहिए? यहाँ इस वाली रो में किसी को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. लव चाहिए? Okay, next affirmation. I am born to be loved. फिर से जोर से. I'm born to be loved. Feel करके. One last time. Now here this row. प्यार नहीं चाहिए? कोई प्यार ना करे आपसे? फिर से बोल रही हूँ. I am born to be loved. All right. Now comes an interesting affirmation. ह्यूमन बींग्स, हम ह्यूमन बींग्स, हमारे से बहुत मिस्टेक्स होती हैं और दूसरे भी कर देते हैं. जानबूझ के भी नहीं, कई बार ऐसे ही मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट अफर्मेशन है, ध्यान से सुनना, बहुत ज़रूरी अफर्मेशन है, विच हैज़ टू बी डन एवरी डे. It is, I am forgiven and I forgive. Okay? I am forgiven and I forgive. One more time, guys, please. I am forgiven and I forgive. I am forgiven and I forgive. Okay. Interesting. Now, second last affirmation. Every day we shower, we take bath, right? And there is one more thing that happens inside our body which we don't know. Is lot of healing happens. क्योंकि डे टू डे फिजिकल इंजरी भी हो सकती है, लेकिन इमोशनल इंजरी के बारे में हम लोग सोचते ही नहीं हैं. किसी ने मुझे कुछ गलत बोल दिया, किसी ने कुछ मुझे इग्नोर कर दिया, एंड आई गॉट हर्ट. दैट हीलिंग हैज़ टू हैपन एवरी डे. So the important affirmation is when you will tell it to your subconscious, it will start working. I heal every day. Anyone missing this affirmation here? This is very important. Tell your subconscious, I am healing every day. One more time. I heal every day. One more time. I heal every day. Okay. Now last affirmation, which is very, very powerful for manifestations. When you are manifesting, it is your power only which is working for you, and the universe starts working in your favor. So you must believe कि आप अकेले ही सब कुछ करने में सक्षम हो. All right? You can do everything by yourself. Right? So the affirmation is, I am complete in myself. One more time. I am complete in myself. One last time. Are you not? You don't want to be complete in yourself that time? Yeah. All right. One more time. I am complete in myself. Okay, now tell me, how's the energy shift? Is there a shift in energy? How are you feeling? Are you feeling better? Yes? जोर से हाँ सब सो क्यों रहे हैं? Are you feeling better? Now I get the voice. Okay. So guys, अब अगर manifestation करनी है from a coach who is, I have over 100 success stories in last 2 years, and I'm going to go in thousands very soon. So I'm giving you a daily routine which you must follow. First of all, decide where you are. आप कहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हो, कहाँ आपको जाना है, ठीक है? You want to be successful lawyer or whatever you want to be. उसकी एक affirmation बनाओ. जैसे कि you can make an affirmation, I am a successful litigation lawyer, whatever you want to be. This is an affirmation which you can create. And now, what you have to do every day, every morning, 5 things you have to do. First, get up in the morning, do whatever you have to do. Have a spiritual routine. You can do Om chanting. You can do meditation. You can do anything else. You can just close your eyes and focus. एक spiritual routine ज़रूरी है. यहाँ पर कितने लोगों का spiritual routine है? Wow, quite a lot. Very nice. Rest others. Please have a spiritual routine. It is very, very important. Second thing, gratitude. Gratitude is very, very, very important, and which is highly missing. Most of the times people are depressed because they are ungrateful for what they have. See, you're already sitting here, right? You have a kind of education. You're healthy. Isn't that quite a lot to be grateful about? Gratitude is very important, and it is to be done in writing every morning. Write 5 gratitudes. Okay? Number 3, do your affirmation जो भी create की है. ठीक है? That is very, 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 very important. And number 4, plan your day. आज मुझे क्या क्या काम खत्म करना है शाम तक. It is very, very, very important. And 5th thing, any guesses? 5वीं चीज manifestation के लिए क्या हो सकती है? Yeah, surrendering is very important. I like her. Very nice. 5th thing, guys, go for a workout. Your body needs dopamine. Your body needs self-care. That is also a correct answer, by the way. But the surrendering is included in gratitude. You're grateful for everything, it goes. All right? So that's what happens. You have to do it every day. These are my social media handles. You can follow me. There is a lot of content that I post. Although I work with entrepreneurs mostly, but a lot of content is there to work on your emotional regulation. All right, guys, how was the experience? Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to giving you the energy shift. And you can follow me on my handles. And I'm there for any of the desires that you want to manifest. Bye-bye. Have a great afternoon ahead.